China and ASEAN share deep and close cooperation in trade and economy, and the RCEP brings them even closer. The RCEP, the world's largest free trade area, comprises 15 members, the 10 ASEAN member states, plus China, Japan, the Republic of Korea, Australia, and New Zealand. The pact entered into force on January 1st, 2022, with the goal of gradually eliminating tariffs on more than 90% of goods traded among its members.
I think it's pretty obvious that the intensity of cooperations, especially in trade and investments between the ASEAN countries and China, is very significantly increasing. We can see now that almost every countries in ASEAN, the biggest partner of these countries are China.
With the existence of RCEP since 1.5 years, I think the intensity of cooperations between ASEAN countries and China can become more and more very significant. With the RCEP, the extent of a reduction of tariff barriers, even more, evident. But RCEP is not just about trade in goods, but also trade in services and also in investments.
RCEP 对我们园区一些贸易企业上面来说，这个货物流通更加便利了，这个货币的结算啊更加便利。那么从一个中远期来讲的话，对生产企业也会同样会有积极的影响，因为他们的原料进出，包括这个机械的这个生产机械这个进出，各个方面都会有一个促进作用。
RCEP 对于印尼跟中国的贸易，我觉得是会保持更加的一个紧密的一个合作啊。对我们来讲最明显的受益就是我们的新能源零部件的关税明显得到了一个降低从原来的5%或者3.5%降到0关税。